Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this video again because I made one first, somehow it got deleted, got messed up, so making another one. Okay, so it's going to be a weekly recap, trades taken and what is coming up next week. So let's get started here. This is on the 20th. My trading started on the 20th and 20th April. The first trade was pound Nuzi. This is the trade. I took the entry here, but the trade was not finished. It was a long distance. The target was 0470. So I recorded the chart. Sell entry is here, right? SL moved to break even, so it was gone. And then what happened to this chart? It went and hit my target, but I was sleeping, so it went up again here around 58, 80, 50, 55, 58. And I said, you know what, let's close it because it might go up. And it did. So the next day, not the next day, but the same day, you can see that it was continue going to the upside. This is 0558. It went above it, came back, found support here, and then gave me another entry to go long and another 125 pip to the long side. Now you can see it's a buy order here. Okay, and after that, on same days, 20th pound Aussie, very nice, beautiful buy the book setup here. For 80 pip, and then I had Euro Aussie, another 80 pip here, a buy order here, SL move to break even. And here again, you can see 20th, the same day, pound yen to the downside here for 80 pip. 80, I just round figure it, sometimes 80, sometimes 90, sometimes 85. So 80 plus pips so far. It's a sell order here, and you can see the sell setup here all the way down to this level. These levels are very important. Okay, so here on the 20th, the CAD, USD CAD, it went up, and later on you'll see a short big trade, but it went up, and I took advantage of this up move for 90 pip. And then on the 21st, Aussie, Euro Aussie, this is the one that I showed you yesterday. On the 20th, right? So it went up, I closed the trade, it went down, and then went up, and another entry, small, but 60 pip from here, buy order here. On the 21st here, pound Nuzi, after going up all the way, started to come down, and beautiful short entry, and it came down to 0558 again. This 0558, amazing, giving me a lot of trades. And then you can see here on the 21st, pound Aussie, short setup just like pound Nuzi, all the way down here. Sell order here, and it's 80 plus pip. On the 22nd, then pound Nuzi, after coming down here, wobble around and went up again, big time. You can see 170 pip to the upside. That's a big one here, right? And here you can see on the 23rd, 22nd was only one trade. On the 23rd, this Euro Aussie, after going up, then it reverses, and look, this is 235 pip to the downside. And the reason for this was, let me show you the charts, the 40-minute charts. I made this 40-minute chart here that it went up all the way there, and now it's going to start coming down here. So this is where I made my entry, and I'm showing the target is all the way down to 67, 86, and before that we have 68, 62. So at least into this area I was looking at. That's why I didn't close the trade and held for 235 pip. And this is what happened to this chart, all the way down to the S3 that day. Okay, daily pivot S3. So that was for 235 pip here. And the last, no, not the last, this is pound Aussie, short setup by the book, entry here for 80 plus pip on the 23rd. And I think now this is the last one, not last one. Okay, so pound Nuzi 20-minute on the 23rd again, 115 pip again, simple by the book entry all the way to the downside. And this is the last one actually. So it's a USDCAD. Remember the first one, I took it to the long side, and then it reverses from there. Wave 1, wave 2, going for wave 3 to 161%. Just before reaching that, I close it because sometimes it makes the turn a little bit before the target, right? So they wanted to take any chances. 150 pip more than enough from here. This is my sell order here, from here to here. And this is how This is all. These are all the my trades, and let's see few of those 40-minute chart before charts and their guidance, because these are what I call guiding chart. It guides me that what is going to happen on all different pairs. For example, USDX 40-minute chart, I was expecting that it was going to drop here into this area and then go up for wave 4 or 1, whatever. It will go up, right? So what happened to this chart? The next chart, you'll see that it is gone up there, more than that, all the way for wave 4. So once we reached it, the 38%, right? Usually wave 4 is 38%. So I said, okay, wave 4 is done. Now we're going to drop into this area for wave 5. And every time USD, let's say USD going up, USD getting strong, and then 4 pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD, they will be getting going down, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will go up, right, with the USD strength. Now the table turns from here. USD is going to drop, means USD going to get weaker, and first 4 pair will go up and 3 will go down, right? So that's the guide. That's the guidance that I get from these charts, from index charts. So USD, this chart, look what happened to this one, all the way down there, exactly where I said it's going to drop. And then I said that it's going to go up from here to here. So what happened to this chart? We are here, struggling around the TL here, and maybe Monday will pop. Well, let's see what happens. Maybe not. Maybe it will go up, right? So here it could be wave 1 or 2 and 3 or A, B, C. The correction will come. Okay, so that's what happened to USDX. Some other charts, Elliott wave count and all that. For example, Pound USD. So here you can see that at the end of wave 3, I said we're going to drop for wave 4 in this fashion, A, B, C. Correction, wave 4. That's how it is. 90% of the time it's done. Look what happened to this chart. A, B, C came down exactly the same place, 38%, 2194 support, and at the TLs. And then I said we're gonna bounce and go here for wave 5. Look what happened. We went there exactly at wave 5, right? And then I said we're gonna drop here all the way down for wave A, ABC correction, right? Look what happened. We came down for wave A exactly as I said. And now we are up here somewhere. I didn't save the chart for wave B. We may go there, we may not. Weekend is in the middle, so we don't know what's going to happen over the weekend. So these are like my 40-minute charts, which guides me, and I have charts made like that in most of the pairs, most of the moving pairs, right? And then I send out to my subscribers on Telegram, where they take advantage of these charts and using my Magic IB system. For example, let me see, where is it? I'll get to this chart later. But this is the Telegram. You can see here. These are the charts I keep posting. Heads up, the trade setup. This is USDCAD. I said we're gonna drop here, but it dropped halfway on Friday. Then it went up again. So we got, it's Friday, and the shops are closed, and that you get the pullback from profit taking. So things got messed up. And then Monday comes, I'm gonna make new charts anyway. So these are all the charts in the video, the charts, the heads up I always post here for the subscribers. Okay. Now, what I'm interested in next week is the Euro index chart. If you can see this one, let me see if I have this chart here saved or no. Hold on just a minute. I'm supposed to have that index chart, Euro index chart. Okay, the few chart behind, I have it, but I don't see it. Where is it? Let me see here. Hold on just a minute. Okay, this is the chart I made. This is Euro index chart, by the way. Okay, it is made on 23rd December 2018. So look, this is in a triangle, right? After wave finish A, B, C, I said this is the fashion we're gonna drop here for wave D, and then we will go up wave E here into this area, and then once the triangle finish, what happens? We go in the previous direction, which is this one. Okay, look what happened to this chart so far after almost a year and a half now. He came down at D, then he went up for E, and now pulling back and then coming down. So this is what I'm thinking, that we are very close to these highs and the tier, rising tier. If and there is an outside rising TL as well, we have to take that out as well if we take the inner one out, right? So all in all, euro weakness is what I'm looking at and taking advantage of, and I will be taking advantage again because as this dropping, euro Aussie will be dropping big time. And another pair that right now I'm not trading or watching, but I will start from next week is euro CAD. So euro CAD, euro yen. Also, I'm not watching or trading the last couple of weeks. I cut down my pairs because a few pairs giving me good trades, very good trades. But these setups happen in all the pairs, But you can only trade so many pairs, right? So might as well just drop a few of them, because if they come along, then then you open the trade, right? So I don't want to have it in front of me so that I can be uh, open so many trades at the same time. Few trades, few pairs are fine right now. So, but since euro is gonna get weaker, euro CAD and euro yen also have a very good chance of dropping if this thing continue dropping to the outer tier, or maybe break and go to the downside. So euro is gonna get weaker a lot, and euro pairs, especially euro USD, euro Aussie, euro CAD, euro yen, these pairs will drop big time. So this is it for the next week. Euro theme. I have euro. I mean USD pair, USD index, Aussie index, yen index, everything covered, which I post on the Telegram for my subscribers. So you can take advantage of that. Right now it's Friday night. It's 10:50 p.m. If you want to be a part of it, then you can go and take the what I call is go on my website. This is my website address, myforexmagicwave.com, and be a subscriber and start setting up the charts over the weekend, and you can trade like this, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and be safe.